Now the information about users is stored in /etc/passwd. So let's do a cat /etc/passwd to view the contents of this file. Now this file has a list of all the users configured to access this system. We have our root user here, and these are all the system users, and we can confirm by looking at this particular column, which is user ID for that user, and this is between 100 and 999. So these are system users. The last user on this list, however, has a user ID 1000, which means this user is a human user, as are these two users. Now let's have a look at the information for each user. Now this is the username of that particular user. The second column is a placeholder for the password of that particular user. The third column contains the user ID, which is unique in the Linux system. The fourth column is group ID. So each user in a Linux system is part of a group, and a group is a collection of all users that perform a similar function. For example, power users, users that have access to read-only files, finance related files, etc. And each group contains a group ID, which is unique for that particular group. The next column contains comment about that particular user. For example, from this comment I can see that my user is a system admin. The next column is the home directory for that user, so /home/labbitadmin, and the last column is the shell for that particular user. Now if we look at the root user, which is the first user on the file, we can see the root user has a user ID of 0 and a group ID of 0. The comment is that it is a root user. Its home directory is also root, and it starts the shell in bin/bash.